Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video, a late night video as a matter of fact, and quickly speaking about the prosperity mindset that you have to embrace in order for you to attract financial abundance and just get into the character of a wealthy or financially abundant person in order for you to resonate with whatever abundance is out there for you. So it's just simple tricks and simple acts in your day, and eventually you will get into that character, or you will embrace that feeling more and more. The thing is that many of you, when you just go to a supermarket or go to a mall or you just pass by a shop and you always see the prices, and then you think to yourself, well, I would have to work that much, and then I can afford this and this and that. It's not the way how it works, and that's actually the wrong mindset. Even if you cannot afford something right now, you can just pretend that you can, but you're just not really interested at the moment to get that specific item. But know for sure within you that you have already the capability to do or to purchase such item. So in order for you to embrace financial abundance, or to embrace the character that you're financially abundant, you have also to treat yourself every now and then with little gifts. Like, you have to convince yourself that you're actually worthy of receiving. And if you couldn't really believe that you're worthy of receiving, then probably it's not going to work. So you have to treat yourself every now and then. I'm not saying that you have to spend money you don't even have. I'm just saying that within your current financial capabilities, that you can get yourself a little present, a little a little thing for any achievement or any milestone that you achieved in your work, or on your project, or during your journey to shift your mindset. So these little things will just try to convince the subconscious mind that you're actually worthy of receiving. It's not convincing, you actually are worthy of receiving, but the thing is that you're subconsciously not really believing in that. So you have to believe in that. Whenever someone offers you something, just say thank you and take it. Actually, don't just reject every offer that comes in your way. Whenever someone is just presenting you with just offering you a drink, just say yes. It's not a matter of it's not ignorance. It's not a thing of etiquette, even that you always reject offers. That you have to accept offers in order for you to slowly and steadily believe that you're actually worthy of receiving. So these little tricks every day will help you to embrace that character. And also watch some videos. You will find many videos on financial abundance on YouTube, and you will find, let's say that you trying to manifest a house or a specific car. Just try to focus on the car as long as possible. Go to a dealership and just request a test drive. You can actually do that. So you can try to get into the character that you're actually having that specific item that you want, and always treat yourself with little things to embrace the idea that you're actually worthy of receiving. So that's the main thing that you have to embrace. That's the main thing that you have to repetitively do every single day. And eventually, when you run into your manifestation, you will know that it wasn't really about the thing itself. It was just you trying to evolve to the person that actually can attain that thing. So it's as simple as that. I couldn't really think of any other way to put it, but try to inform yourself more about that concept and try to give it a try. That's it. That's all what you can do right now. Give it a try slowly and steadily, and you will find that things are just falling into place.